Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to make an interactive Q&A session in YouTube Shorts? Whether it's for fun, engagement or community building, here's how to do it step by step. The first step is to plan your question. Before filming, decide whether you'll answer questions from past comments or ask your audience to submit new ones. The second step is to record your short video. To do that, just open the YouTube app and tap the create and select shorts, or you can click on the plus button in the middle bottom right here and click on it and select the video random video, or you can record it. After that, if you want to record yourself answering a question or use text overlays to display questions on screen. Let's see here, let's select this one right here. Now it needs verification to add and edit the video. After that, use YouTube's Q&A sticker if available. Some users may have access to the new Q&A feature directly in the Shorts editor, and if available, enable it and type a prompt encouraging viewers to ask questions. For the fourth and final step is to post and encourage interactions. Write a caption like "Leave your questions in the comments and I'll answer in my next short," and engage with the audience by liking and replying their comments. You also need to use trending hashtags to increase discoverability and create a series where you answer multiple questions across different shorts, and keep your answers concise and engaging to retain viewers. You can write that caption by clicking here in the create a title, and then click on the add description and write it here. Write whatever you want. And that's it. That's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make a Q&A in YouTube Shorts. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.